Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Lee. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. How about you join the Crown Squad by hitting the subscribe button and hitting the bell next to it so you can be notified whenever I upload a video. And for my returning subscribers, welcome. I'm always glad you're here. So if you want to know more about this unit that I'm wearing, stay tuned.
It's a bad man tonight. Oh Lord of His mercy. Hey, He's bad.
Hey guys, so today's wig is brought to you by Beautiful Ever Hair, and it's an Amazon company. It came in this cute box. I just love the box that their hair comes in, and on the back it tells you how to care for your hair and whatnot. And I just want to tell Beautiful Ever thank you for sending me this unit for review. Even though this hair was sent to me for review, I'm gonna give you my honest opinion. Okay, so let me read the specs on this. So it's Beautiful Ever Malaysian curly silk base thick scalp T-part lace wigs, and it's like it comes with like a middle part that's pre-plucked, and it has 150 density, and it in the color natural. And I have it in 14 inches, and for 14 inches is $106, which is a little pricey. So the cap size is 21 to 21.5. so we will see how that looks, how it feels. So this is what it looks like. Do you see the curls? It's like, what is it, jerry curls? I love it. Look at it. I think this is my first time doing jerry curls. I think so. So it has the thick scalp right there. I might end up removing it. We'll see. So for cap construction, it comes with 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. And it's stretchy, so which is nice. And yeah, it has a weird smell, so you definitely want to wash it as always. But I'm gonna put her on and see how it looks like or how it feels like without, well, I got my wig grip on. Ooh, I like it. And this is the fake scalp. You see that line right there? I don't like it. And yeah, this is pre-plucked. That does not look pre-plucked at all. And the ear tab is very hard, but I'm gonna style her and I'll be back.
You watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night.
Okay guys, so this is what this hair looks like after I've finessed her. And I like it. I like the curls. I like the finger combed curls. First it was just a little too tight and it looked just a teeny bit flat, and I like it like this, you know. It's folded and it just looks nice. And with this unit, I left the fixed scalp in, and I think I did a good job blending it in a little bit. I melted down, and I put the tinted spray, and I think it looks pretty good compared to other wigs, or the other wig that I've done that has the fixed scalp. This one blended down really nice. I like the length, you know. I try to cut a little bit to frame it in the front, just a little bit, because I didn't want to go scissor happy. But this hair, for the cut, for the style, for the price, I think it's worth it, you know. I like it. I didn't get any shedding. The cap is it's average with my wig grip on. It feels very snug, so big head person, you can fit it a little bit. It might be squeezing your scalp, but I think you can make it work. But yeah, and the ear tab is it's hard. The ear tab is hard, so that's a con, you know. I don't like that. And you know, it comes to the center part. You don't get much parting space. Let me see. I mean, you can't part it. You see, you can part it right there, but that does not look good. That looks very wiggy, so you'll have to wear this as a center part. Ace, can you please be quiet? I'm over here recording. Thank you. It's my dog out there barking. Why you barking? Why you barking? I don't know, but I'm gonna need you to just keep it down, okay? But yeah, I like this. I love it. What do you guys think? I just want to tell Beautiful Ever, thank you for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at Love Your Crowns. And make sure you give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, and subscribe if you already haven't done so. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.
It's a bad man.